Hey YouTube, for today's project I want to show you how I go camping and hunting in the back of my truck. I'm just going to show kind of the hot canopy setup that I've got. It's heated, and I'll make another video about the truck camper setup and all that, but that's my trusty 2002 Silverado that I've had since it was brand new, 111,000 miles on it. But anyway, that's my trusty truck, and here's the canopy that I'm going to set up. Canopy, no big deal, but there's a couple things that I did that were different. These buckles, when I first bought this, were absolute junk. They broke like the first time that I used them. So I bought a buckle and strap kit off Amazon, and made these buckles to go around there. Have one on each end, and that is much more sturdy, and the buckles are much better. And the other thing that happened was the zipper broke like right away. So I bought a zipper replacement kit off Amazon too, and all I had to do, since that old tab thing came off, is I just took two of the little plastic teeth off down there, and then put the new zipper on, then put that metal clasp on there to hold it back together, and that works like a champ. So setting up canopy, you've probably seen a million times, so I'm going to do a little time lapse on it, and I'll meet up with you with once I get the heat in it. Okay, so it's all set up. We got the little carpet in there. Haven't run that before. So it's a 10 by 10 canopy, and the picnic table must be 10 and a half because it's sticking out a little bit more. You can kind of see that little gap in there, but we should have enough heat with the diesel heater. You guys have seen these before. Have diesel, have the quiet exhaust. I've got another video on that. And then I've got the tube going down, snuck under the wall. And then I've got the battery inside. I'll show you that. Got the homegrown lithium iron phosphate battery. So it's got all the goodies in there. It's got the 4 lithium iron phosphate cells for a 12 volt configuration, and then the BMS with Bluetooth, so I can monitor the battery capacity, how much is left, and all that good stuff. And we'll fire it up. And it takes a few minutes to warm up. It'll kind of do its thing here. And then let's go inside and see what's going on there. There's the tube. Okay, you can hear it kind of clicking. Just gonna fire off. You can see when they get started, they smoke quite a bit, but that'll clear up once it gets ignited. It is a little bit cold today. It's probably 35 degrees right now. There she lit. I do have a carbon monoxide detector so we don't have to worry about any of the fumes coming back inside. So it should be good. We got some heat coming out through there. We got plenty of ventilation. That heater will put out enough heat to heat this no problem, even though it's got a bunch of leaks in it. Anyway, thanks for watching. Appreciate your guys' support. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you. And I hang a little lantern up in here, little LED job. So at night, this all gets lit up real nice. So I bought my crates with food in it and my camping stove that goes in the center crate with the Dr. Pretzels on there. So we're in here, out of the rain, out of the wind. We got some heat, gonna get some food going. This is pretty luxury when you're just camping out of your truck. And for dinner tonight, I've got a cheater meal. I call them cheater meals because they just eat meat kind of thing. So it's tikka marsala, so it's like a chicken marsala kind of thing, curry chicken. So let's take that, put it in the pot with some water in it. Fire it up, get that all heated up, then I'll use that same pot, make some rice and have some of that on rice. It'll be good. Okay, that should be heated up by now. Take that, put it in the pan for now. We'll get some rice ready. So I have a half cup of rice, a cup of water, and I'm going to put this in as the rice is cooking. I've never done it before, but we'll try it. Okay. We shall see in a little bit. Never done it. All right, it's been a little bit. Let's see what we got. Oh, yes, sir. That's looking mighty good. 6.5 miles today, so I'm pretty hungry. But the plate won't hold it all, so I might have to go back for double dipping there. Yep, perfect. Love it. Well done. Okay, here's the heater. I made the exhaust a little less janky. I think this will work out pretty good. It's pretty far away from the canopy, and get the exhaust away. And, yeah, looking good.